OnePlus has launched its new mid-range smartphone under Nord series in India called OnePlus Nord CE6 with a massive battery capacity. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE6 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, coupled with Adreno 810 GPU for smooth gaming and performance. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In the camera department, the OnePlus Nord CE6 sports a 50-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is additional auxiliary sensor. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera placed inside the center punch hole cutout with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery, paired with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Oxygen OS 16 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system for better thermal management during heavy usage. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.5 by 77.5 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 215 grams. Now coming to the pricing details. The OnePlus Nord CE6 has been priced in India at 29,999 Indian rupees for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage option is priced at 32,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in fresh blue, lunar pearl, and pitch black color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE6 smartphone? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.